Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to finally share my story about how I started with nothing and wound up making just under $250,000 last year flipping appliances. Let's take a look. So this journey started about 5 years ago when I found a dryer in a dumpster. I figured I could maybe fix it and sell it for a couple of dollars. What turned into one, turned into two, and finally ended up with 60. In a summer, I made about $50,000 and realized that there may be something to this. So I did my homework, countless hours on YouTube. I read articles, joined online communities, started finding appliances, mainly off of Facebook Marketplace. And now I have just over 100 appliances of various shapes and sizes that sell at least 1 to 2 every day, bringing in almost $250,000 in revenue. I started with a washing machine just like this one, mechanical timer. Fix it for $20 and sell it for $250 plus $60 delivery. A fridge like this one I'd pick up for $100, fix it for another $40, and possibly sell it for $800 to $900 plus $100 delivery. I started off in a Ford pickup truck, and now I have a truck with thousands of dollars of equipment. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into flipping and entrepreneurship. Drop your questions in the comments and let me know if you're going to give appliance flipping a try. Until next time, happy flipping.